Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois, in our brand new showroom here located at 150 South Church Street. Today I have the honor and the pleasure to show you guys and gals this 1966 Chevrolet Nova Chevy 2 Super Sport model. It is a real Super Sport. It's a 118 VIN number car that's stamped on the cowl and on the car itself on the VIN plate. So real Super Sport, guys. Really nice stands on the car, as you can see. Paint is in good condition. I'll go over everything with you, the most that I can. Chrome is really good. Trim is good. Glass is good. Door handles seem to be original. They're showing, showing its age on there. Nice set of BF Goodrich tires on the factory appearance rally wheels there. So I'm going to walk around the car, guys, and show you a few things. Underneath is super clean. I took pictures. Check that out on my website. Let's start with the 383 stroker motor. It's putting out a little bit over 400 horse, upgraded with the Edelbrock 4-barrel intake, also the electric choke set up for easy start, chrome valve covers. This one has upgraded power disc brakes in the front, power steering, as you can see down there, and they added the vintage air conditioning. Super cool. You really never see that on a Nova. Here's the cowl tag here that I showed you guys. There you see a 118 built in Norwood, Ohio. Factory manifolds put on the car. Chrome things here and there. Edelbrock, like I said, intake as well. Some pulleys have been upgraded. Pretty clean engine compartments. Paint, in my opinion, is going to be a 7.5, 8 out of a 10. Does have a few small blemishes, like on the hood right there. And I'll point out a couple other blemishes that I see. Here's got a little stress crack. Nothing major, you can barely see it, but it's there. Glass is good. Body lines line up pretty good all around. Back window, nice. Trunk, excellent condition. Weather stripping has been replaced. Looks brand new in here. Battery's been placed in the back. Why, you ask? Well, that's because they shoved power steering, power brakes, and vintage air conditioning in this small engine compartment. So nice all around, guys. Nothing to worry about there. Let me show you the interior really quick, and then I'll fire up the car. I want you guys to hear it. Like I said, the door handles are showing some age. You could buy a set of these for $60 on eBay if you wanted to. Bucket seats, console, gauges, nice door lips. Inner outer jambs look great. Seat belts intact. Headliner is tight. In here, showing 82,000 and some change on the miles. Factory radio controls. There's your air conditioning. Upgraded triple gauge package with the odometer, RPM, and your center console and shifter there. All right, let's fire it up real quick. One pump. Should do it. So no horn, guys. Okay, I want to tell you everything about the car. Lights do work, as you can see there. Okay. Turn signals. Let's check out the wipers. Wipers function. Oh man, I just got the windshield dirty. So you got the air conditioning that works. Blows cold. No worries there. Radio, factory, not working. So you'll have to replace that if you wanted to. But you don't have to, because guess what? There's the other one. All good, okay? pop, baby. There you have it, folks. Well, 1966 Chevrolet Nova, real super sport car, packed and loaded under the hood with power front disc brakes, power steering, and vintage air conditioning, buckets console. Guys, for the price, where you going? This is it. MGM Classic Cars has over 200 cars in stock. You can check us out on our website in 2 buildings here in Addison, Illinois. So go ahead and punch that in your computer if you wanted to see more photos of my little Nova. These are the upcoming ones that are coming. Photo shoots being done today or tomorrow. A few Rolls Royces in the corner. Really nice stuff, guys. Check us out. We do go out there and find really nice cars and explain them to you. Okay, since this one, in my opinion, doesn't really need anything except that little horn, she's ready to go. Give me a call or text. If you need financing, it's not a problem. You will need about $5,200 down to finance this baby. Payments are low. They're tapered around your income and your expenses per month. So they'll make sure that that works out for you guys as good as can be. For those of you who do not need financing, call me, text me. Let's get a deal done. If you need delivery, text me your zip code, 847-848-1850. Again, my text number is 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, have a great time. Enjoy yourselves. Bye-bye.